Mr. James Scott. Mr. James Scott has a girl in Celebrity and has just bought another Pinhouse. Pinhouse is just only 5 miles. But Mr. James Scott cannot get a telephone from his new garage. So he has just bought a 12 pigeon. A pigeon carried the first message from Celebrity to Pinhouse. The bird covered in 3 minutes. Up to now, Mr. James Scott has sent great many requests for spare parts and other urgent messages. From one village to the other village. In this way, he has just begun his own self-sacrifice. Exciting day. I have a letter from my brother Tim. He is in Australia. He has been there for 6 months. He is an engineer. He's working in big firm. He's working on big firm and have already a great number of different places of Australia. He has just booked an Australia car and gone to a spring small town center of Australia. He will soon visit Darwin and fly to from there he will fly to the port. My brother never been abroad before. He has he has just finding his trip very exciting.